Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another video. So today I am gonna be doing the clean girl makeup tutorial with y'all. So like this is a very simple makeup step, like literally for beginners, and if you're not the makeup kind of girl, like this is literally the easiest makeup you could do. So anyways guys, I'm gonna show you how I got this all done. Like it literally took me like 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on the next clip. So y'all, like I have been planning on making this video like since last week, but I've been super busy. So today I decided that I'm gonna have to do this video. So first things I'm gonna be doing first is priming my face with this primer, and this is the Hydro Touch NYX primer. So I'm gonna be using this one on my face because like this is a very clean makeup, and we want everything to look like skin and not cakey and stuff like that. So y'all, for concealer I'm gonna be using the Elegant Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. I'm just gonna be using this to conceal my dark spots and red spot on my face, just because this foundation has a lot of coverage and this is exactly my skin shade. So I'm just gonna be using this one to cover up everything first before I go with a lighter shade.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretend.
So y'all, I'm gonna be blending my face, and I would like to use my beauty blender instead of my brush because I feel like the brush is gonna take a lot of products off of my face, and the beauty blender is just gonna help like set everything in, because like I prefer to use this when I'm using foundation, but when I'm doing a very light makeup like this, I prefer to go with my beauty blender because like it sets everything in place.
Fuck your mind up. Waste time, I'm prone to that. Do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you.
Okay y'all, so I'm just gonna be using this NYX concealer palette to put on my face, like the places that I want my face to be highlighted. I'm just gonna put this concealer over there and also on my under eyes because like they're looking a little bit dark, so we're just gonna brighten that out.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself as murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself as murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. But I like you, so maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be.
So y'all, for powder I'm gonna be using the LA Girl powder palette on my face because like this powder I'm just gonna be putting a lot on my face because I want my face to be completely matte and not greasy and oily, because like normally I have oily skin most times, and sometimes my skin is just normal. So y'all, I don't know why, but anyways, this period my face is oily, so I'm just gonna be setting my face with a lot of powder.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself.
I'm just gonna be filling my brows, and I am not doing the whole detailed professional brow technique style because most of the times I just feel like it's hard work, and when I'm in a rush, like this is the kind of brows that I like to do because it is super easy, and because I don't have to clean up my brows with concealer. My brows is perfectly shaved. I just do this and I'm good to go.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself as murder.
She see money, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of nothing, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No, 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 no.
Okay, so like I decided to add some natural warm brown shade on my lid to create this natural eye effect, because like we're not gonna be doing any eyeshadow on this, so this is just basically what I'm gonna be doing. I'm finishing up my brows with this Control Freak brow gel, my favorite, to set my brows like in place so nothing moves anywhere. So what I'm doing right here is not a major contour technique. It's just like following my natural shade, like the shade on my nose. Like I'm just trying to enhance that a little bit. And I'm gonna take this color from this palette and just put it at the tip of my nose to create like I don't know what y'all call this, but anyways, you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna be putting some on my cheek to create a nice warm blush, you know, kind of thing going on there. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna be lining my lips with this pencil. This is my favorite lipstick at the moment. Like I love to mix this two because like they go really well together, and I just love the texture and how it turns out like when you mix both of them. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be applying this one first, and then I'm gonna be going with the other one second. So I'm gonna be using this highlighter on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose and my cheekbone to puff out my face a little bit, you know. And to add something a little bit extra, so I'm just gonna be doing this cute little black dot. Like it is something you do with your eyeliner. So this is something that I used to do like years back. So anyways, I used to find this super cute. So that is what I'm just gonna be doing here. I'm just gonna be putting some at the corner of my eyes. Okay, so the last finishing touch is finishing spray. Like you can never get your makeup set without finishing spray. So yes. And guys, we are done with our makeup. So this is the final result. I hope y'all like this makeup because like this is always my go-to. This makeup is very simple and easy. Like I said before, for your girlies out there who are not a makeup girly girls, this is for you because like you can literally see your skin, feel your skin. It feels lightweight and like you literally feel like you have nothing on your face. Okay y'all, so this is the final look of the makeup. Like this is literally the most simple makeup like you could ever do on your face because like there's no foundation. It's just a bunch of powder and concealer to cover up the dark spots you could see on my skin. So yeah, so this is my own version of the clean girl makeup tutorial. This is part 1. I think I'm gonna be doing the part 2 of this makeup, so y'all stay tuned for that because like I'm loving this look. Like this is really simple. Like it feels very lightweight. Like it is not heavy at all. It is very light on your face, and most of the time like this is what I feel like to go out with because like sometimes I do get tired of the heavy foundation, full coverage, that kind of stuff. But anyways y'all, so y'all, like this is my go-to lip combo recently because like y'all can see how pretty that is. Like this is my go-to combo for lip. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because like I'm gonna see y'all on my next video because like yeah, bye, peace, oh yeah.